ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat. Ayun. Relug. Eong. I ouch. Ayavarat. Lun. Nyamangananam. Jabhai. Ghadadash. Jabagadash. Kapachatata chatatau. Kapai. Shashasar. Hal.
Guruji, just
Yes.
one doubt when we are in this Maheshwara Sutrani. They say from Sutra number 5, Ha say to the 14th Sutra where L ends, they're all Huls. Hul means the consonants. But there is a Ha even in Sutra 14.
Okay.
Sutra 14 is Hul.
It's a
So
consonant
when
only.
when they say Hul means, how do we know that it is from 5th Ha or 14th Ha?
We have not yet studied the Maheshwara Sutra, so we'll see that.
Okay. Thank you.
So now the next one. Rama Shabda. Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha.
Akarantaha Lingaha Rama Shabdaha.
Ramaha Ramau Ramaha.
Ramaha
Ramam Ramau Raman.
Ramam Raman.
Ramena Ramabhyam Ramaihi. Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha. Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyaha. Ramasya Ramayogo Ramanam. Rame Ramayogo Rameshu.
Rame Ramayoho Rameshu.
He Rama He Ramaha.
He Rama Rama.
The next Shabda. Ikarantaha Pullingaha Hari Shabdaha.
Ikarantaha
Pullingaha Shabdaha
Harihi Hari Harayaha.
Harihi Harayaha
Harin Hari Harin.
Rim Harin
Harina Haribhyam Haribihi.
Harina
Harivyam Haribihi
Haraye Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
Harivyam Haribhyaha
Harehe Haribhyam Haribhyaha.
Harivyam Haribhyaha
Harehe Haryoho Harinam.
Haryoho Harinam
Haro Haryoho Harishu.
Haryoho Harishu.
He Hare He Hari He Harayaha.
He Hari He Harayaha.
Shabda Hari Shabda. One more Shabda will do. All these Shabdas you need to memorize. It's the right time because we have not yet started the other Vibhaktis and all. So you can just keep chanting it. After some time you will see it automatically gets to your memory. Ukarantaha Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha.
Ukarantaha
Pullingaha Guru Shabdaha
Guruhu Guru Guravaha.
Guruhu
Guravaha
Gurum Guru Gurun.
Gurun
Guruna Gurubhyam Gurubihi.
Guruvyam
Gurubihi
Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha.
Gurave Gurubhyam
Gurubhyaha
Guroho Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha.
Guroho Gurubhyam
Gurubhyaha
Guroho Guruvoho Gurunam.
Gurunam
Gurau Guruvoho Gurushu.
Guruvoho Rushu
He Guru He Guru He Guravaha.
He
Guru
Guravaha.
So any Ukaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda can be declined like Guru.
Guru.
Any Ukaranta Shabda, you remember? Yesterday, given you a long list of the names of Ukaranta. Any Ukaranta Shabda, remember? Ukaranta.
Ishu, Tanu, Chenchu.
Dhanu.
Dhanu, okay. But it should be a Pullinga Shabda. Pullinga Shabda.
Janyu, Pashu, Bhanu,
Pashu.
Vishnu.
Pashu is a good example. Pashu. Let us stand Pashu.
Okay. Guruji, one doubt, Guruji. This last one, Sambodhana Pradama Vibhakti. Is it not Guruhu? He Guruhu.
No. Sambodhana, it changes. E Guru, E Guravaha.
Okay.
Now, let us.
Yeah, okay.
You can chant now. Pashu, Priyaji. You can do the Pratama Vibhakti.
Pashuhu, Pashu, Pashavaha.
Next person, Manjula ji. Dvitiya vibhakti.
Pashum, Pashu, Pashun.
Next person, Girija ji. Tritiya vibhakti.
Pashuna, Pashubhyam, Pashubhihi.
Next person, Kausalya ji.
Pashave, Pashuve, Pashubhyam, Pashubhyaha.
Pashave only, not Pashuve.
Okay.
Guru becomes Gurave.
Okay.
Pashu becomes
Pashave.
Pashave.
Okay, Guruji.
Next person, Krishna Kumar. Panchami vibhakti.
पशोः पशुभ्यां पशुभ्यः
Next person, Lata ji. Shashti vibhakti.
पशोः पशोः पशूनां
Pashoho, after that?
पशवोः
Yeah, good. Pashvo.
पशूनां
Then next person, Meera ji. Saptami.
Pasho.
Pashau.
Pasho.
Pashau.
Pasho.
Then
Pasho. Pasho.
Pashvoho. Guru becomes Gurvoho.
Gurvahu.
Pashu will become
Pashvaho.
Pashvoho.
Pashvaho. Gurushu. Pashushu.
That's all. Pashushu. Pashushu. Right? Then the next person. The next person is after Pratibhaji.
He
That is
Pasho,
Sambodhana. Yes.
He Pasho, He Pashu, He Pashavaha.
E Pasho, E Pashu, E Pashavaha. So it is simple. Only you have to change the last letter, replace the last letter by whatever letter is there in Guru Shabda. The same way you have to do it. Guroho is there. Say for example, Panchami Vibhakti, Panchami or Shashti, Pratama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Panchami Vibhakti or Shashti Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. Guroho is there. Take it as an example. Guru, who is replaced by Oho. So Pashu will be replaced by, remove U from Pashu, becomes Pash. And replace U by Oho. Pashoho. So Guru becomes Pashoho. Similarly, Shashti Vibhakti Dvivachanam or Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Guru Oho is there. This is a general mistake people do here. Guru Oho. Remove U from Guru. Guru is a Pratipadika. Remove U. Becomes Gur. Then add Voho to it. Guru Voho. Similarly, from Pashu, remove U. It becomes Pash. Add Voho. Becomes Pash Voho. Right? Simple. It is. Is it difficult? It is simple. Now, I'll give another Shabda. You can do. Shruti ji. You can take the word Bhanu. Bhanu means Suryaha, another word for Surya. Bhanu, Surya, Aditya, Ravihi, many words are there. So take the word Bhanu. Okay, I think Shruti ji, she came and she went back again. Next person after Shruti ji, who is that?
Mekhala.
Mekhala, I can do.
Bhanuhu, Bhanu, Bhanavaha.
Yes, next person, Kanaka ji.
This Dvitiya, right?
Yeah, Tritiya.
Guru, Banu,
Bhanu.
Banum, Gurau, Banau.
Why Bhanu? Guru is Guru. Guru is Guru.
Guruhu, Guruhu,
Not Guruhu. Gurun, that is Guru becomes Gurun. Guru becomes Guru. Guru becomes Gurun. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Bhanu, what will happen?
Banu, first one is Banu.
How can it be Bhanu? If it is Bhanu, then why Gurum is here? Gurum is that the same way. Banu will
Okay.
become Banum.
Banum. Okay. Banum. Ba. Guru.
Guru is O is replaced
Guru.
by U.
Ooh. Okay. Banu.
Then Gurun.
Gurun. Banun.
Banun.
Okay.
I gave
Guruji.
homework, I think, to practice some Shabda, like Rama Shabda. Remember, last class I told you, go to the file what I sent in the beginning, so that Sulava Samskrita Patanam, file number 2. There, all the words are given, Pullinga words are given. No, Pullinga words ending with vowels.
Okay. Okay.
Take that those words as example and practice Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda. Unless you practice, you won't be able to say it. You have to practice this, saying this.
Okay.
Rama Shabda is said, you can say Ganesha Shabda, Ishvara Shabda, Nagesha Shabda, any Shabda, any Akaranta Shabda. Similarly, Ikaranta Shabda, Hari Shabda. There are so many words are there in the file, you can see. Similarly, Guru Shabda, Banu, Pashu, Janyu, so Vishnu. So many words are given. You have to practice in line with the Guru Shabda, all these words. Yes.
Okay, Guruji.
Somebody's asking some doubt.
Yeah, Guruji. I lost the connection. Can I do the next word, Guruji?
Yes,
Shruti.
Tritiya Vibhakti you can do.
Banuna, Banubhyam, Banubihi.
Okay, Banuna, Banubhya, Banubhi. Chaturthi Vibhakti, next person. After that, Sri Vidyaji, I think.
Yes, Guruji. Chaturthi, right? Banave.
Banave.
Banave. Sorry. Banave. Banubhyam. Banubhyah.
Then Ram Kumarji. Manchami.
Yes, Guruji. Bhanayoho.
Not Banayoho. Guru becomes Guroho.
Guroho. So Bhanoho.
Banoho.
Bhanoho. Bhanubhyam. Bhanubhyah.
Shashti Vibhakti. Back to the first person. Riyaji.
Yes, Ji. Bavoho.
Banoho.
Banoho.
Guruvoho is there. What will happen to Banu? Guru becomes Guruvoho.
Barvoho.
Again? Why Barvoho? Banu is Guru becomes Guruvoho. Guru, there Repa is there. Guru is there. Remove Ukara from Guru becomes Gur. Gur plus Voho, Guru Voho. Same thing for Banu also. It is Banvoho. Yes.
Banvoho. Banunam.
Banvoho, Banunam. The next person, Manjulaji. Saptami.
Banau, Banuho, Banushu.
Yes, Banu, Banvoho, Banushu. The next person, Girijaji, Sambodhana.
Bhanu, He Banu, He Banu, He Banuha, Banaha.
He Bhanu, He Banu, He
He
Bhanavaha.
Bhanaha.
Not
Bhanavaha. Yeah, He
Bhanavaha.
Bhanavaha. Okay.
See, this you have to practice till you can say comfortably.
Yes,
I'll
Guruji.
give, I just take another Shabda for myself and just tell you. Vishnu I'm taking. Vishnu Shabda. Vishnu is Ukaranta Shabda. Ukarantaha, Pullingaha, Vishnu Shabdaha. Vishnuga Vishnu, Vishnavaha, Vishnum, Vishnu, Vishnun, Vishnuna, Vishnubhyam, Vishnubhihi, Vishnave, Vishnubhyam, Vishnubhyaha, Vishnoho, Vishnubhyam, Vishnubhyaha, Vishnoho, Vishnuoho, Vishnunam, Vishnau, Vishnuoho, Vishnushu, He Vishnu, He Vishnu, He Vishnavaha. This is for Vishnu Shabda. Not difficult. Apply the same logic, same thing. What is there in Guru, the same thing for Vishnu. Like that, you have to practice for many words. Shishu, another word, Shishu. Let us do Shishu also. After Girijaji, with the next person can take this word. Shishu. Shishu means child. Kausalyaji.
Shishuhu, Shishu, Shushavaha,
Shishavaha.
Shishavaha.
The next person, Krishna Kumarji. Ditya Vibhakti.
Shishum, Shishu, Shishun.
Tritiya Vibhakti. Next person, Lataji.
Shishuna, Shishubhyam, Shishubhihi.
Next person, Meeraji. Chaturthi.
Shishave, Shishubhyam, Shishubhyaha.
Next person, Pratibhaji. Panchami.
Shishoho, Shishubhyam, Shishubhyah.
Next person, Shrutiji. Shashti.
Shishoho, Shishvoho,
Good.
Shishunam,
Shishunam.
Shishunam.
Who is Dirga? You understand what Dirga is, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Dirga is long vowel. Okay. Next person, Mekhalaji. Saptami.
Shishau, Shishvoho, Shishushu.
Good. Kanakaji. Sambodhana.
He Sisho, He Sishu, He Shishuravaha.
Shishavaha.
Shishavaha, sorry. Shishavaha.
Shishavaha. Okay. So please go to see the file, find out the words and practice. This is your homework for Akaranta Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda. Till you can chant any Shabda, any Shabda ending with this A, I, U, Pullinga. That is, these three Shabdas are enough as of now. Practice this.
Okay.
First, you have to memorize this Shabda. Then only if any Shabda is given, that Shabda in line with these Shabdas, you would be able to recite. Once these are the tools we need to have before getting into the language, the Vibhakti and all. So if these tools are there, then with the other tools, you will be able to make a sentence. Make a sentence and supply other words, other Karaka, other Vibhakti. We are going to see what they are all. So this is with regard to the nouns. Similarly, for Kriya Padam also we have. That we will see. Slowly we will see. Now, first we are dealing with nouns. Okay. This is important. So, 3 Shabdas is the right time to memorize. Memorize means keep chanting it every day. You don't have to put any special effort. Keep chanting. It's all names of Bhagavan only. Rama, Hari, Guru. Just the names of Bhagavan. You keep chanting this. After some time you will find.
Am I looking them Pyagari? Love.
Okay, now we will do the Abhyasa number 25. All these lessons so far, what we have seen, the exercises, it's not new. We are doing only Abhyasa. We are not learning anything new. We are doing only Abhyasa. And what is the topic here in all these lessons is lessons where Etat Shabda. Etat Shabda, Idam Shabda, Tat Shabda, in all the 3 lingas, all the 3 genders. Only Pratama Vibhakti usage. Only Pratama Vibhakti. Etat Shabda, Idam Shabda, Tat Shabda, like the Shabdas, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda. We have to decline all the Vibhaktis. We have not yet learnt. We will learn that later. But in all these exercises, using only Pratama Vibhakti, in all the Vachanam. In all the Vachanam, in all the genders. And these are the demonstrative pronouns, along with proper nouns. Simple sentences are constructed and understanding. This is what exercise we have been doing. And it is continuing. We will do some more exercises. And then we'll get into the new topic. First, you be familiar with this. Okay. So now, Abhyasa number 25. Here you can see. Till you get familiarity that using the appropriate pronoun for the proper noun. If the proper noun is a Pullinga, then you have to use appropriate demonstrative pronoun. Yeshaha or Saha or Ayam. If it is Strilinga, I'm talking only for singular. Similarly for dual and plural also. If it is Strilinga, Yesha. If it is interrogative, ka for strilinga. For pullinga, it is kaha. And idam shabda, if you are using yam, tat shabda sa. So these are the practices. So you have to be familiar with that. When you say Rama, yam ka, or yesha ka, or sa ka, yam Rama, or yesha Rama, or sa Rama, that familiarity must come naturally. So for that only we are doing this abhyasa. Okay. So now let us do this. From Priyaji, you can start from the beginning. Yesha ka, yete ke, yetaha, kaha.
एषा गृहिणी एते गृहिण्य एताः गृहिण्यः.
1 minute. Somebody asking any doubt?
No, Guruji, I thought I was going to go like according to the order.
Okay.
Sorry, Guruji.
I'm starting from the beginning.
Okay. Sure. Sorry.
Yes, continue.
एषा नदी एते नद्यौ एताः नद्यः.
It is not nati. It is nati.
Oh, nati. Sorry. Nati. Oops. Esha nati. Ete natyau. Etaha natyah. Esha nari. Eta naryau. Ete naryau. Etaha naryah. Esha janani. Ete jananyau. Etaha jananyah. एषा चालनी एते चालन्यौ एताः चालन्यः. एषा घटी एते घट्यौ एताः घट्यः.
Okay, next person.
एषा
Manjulaji.
Yeah, Guruji. एषा कर्तरी एते कर्तर्यौ एताः कर्तर्यः.
Hope you all know the meaning of these words. Nati, nari, janani, chalani, gati, kartari. The same words are used. So it's not new. If you don't know the meaning, then ask me, I'll tell. Okay, continue.
एषा लेखनी एते लेखन्यौ एताः लेखन्यः. एषा अङ्कनी एते अङ्कन्यौ एताः अङ्कन्यः. नगर्यः नगरी एषा नगरी एते नगर्यौ एताः नगर्यः. एषा वेणी एते वेण्यौ एताः वेनन्यः. वेन्यः.
Next lesson. Next person. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. एतत् किम् एतत् विमानम् एतत् के एतत् विमाने.
Not एतत् के. एते के.
एते के एते विमाने. एतानि कानि एतानि विमानानि. एतत् किम् एतत् व्यजनम्. एते के एते व्यजने. एतानि कानि एतानि व्यजनानि. एतत् किम् एतत् छत्रम्. एते के एतत् छत्रे. एतानि कानि एतानि छत्राणि. एतत् किम् एतत् सिंहासनम्. एते के एते सिंहासने. एतानि कानि एतानि सिंहासनानि.
Next person. Kausalaji. Not the next person. Krishna Kumar, you can do. When I call your name, you have to unmute your mic and read. Not the next person will read.
Sorry, Guruji.
Yeah.
Can I read?
Yes.
एतत् किम् एतत् पात्रम्. एते के एते पात्रे. एतानि कानि एतानि पात्राणि. एतत् किम् एतत् नाणकम्. एते के एते नाणके. एतानि कानि एतानि नाणकानि. एतत् किम् एतत् गृहम्. एते के एते गृहे. एतानि कानि एतानि गृहाणि. एतत् किम् एतत् नेत्रम्. एते के एते नेत्रे. एतानि कानि एतानि नेत्राणि एतत् किम् एतत् कमलम् एते के एते कमले एतानि कानि एतानि कमलानि एतत् किम् एतत् वस्त्रम् एते के एते वस्त्रे एतानि कानि एतानि वस्त्राणि.
Simple shabda. All these are napumsakalinga shabda. All these are napumsakalinga. You can see vastra, kamala. What is its pratipadikam? Vastra. Akarantaha, napumsakalingaha, vastra shabdaha. So I will introduce now napumsakalinga. It's very simple. You can repeat after me. This is napumsakalinga shabda, akaranta shabda. We will chant for pala shabda. If you know pala shabda, any akaranta napumsakalinga shabda, you can decline. Like the shabdas like the words what we read now in the exercise. Vastram, kamala, netra and all these shabdas.
Already completed, Guruji. Pala shabda, we read it already.
No, we didn't. Not this morning.
We did not this.
Okay, no. You can repeat after me. Pala Shabda, I think I have not introduced that.
Pala Shabda over, Guruji. You introduced it.
No, Guruji.
Okay, anyway, no problem.
Only Pratama Vibhakti.
Only Pratama Vibhakti I would have told, not the other Vibhakti.
Yes.
Okay.
Akarantaha napumsakalingaha phala shabdaha.
Akarantaha napumsakalingaha phala shabdaha.
Phalam, pale, palani.
Phalam,
pale, palani.
Dvitiya Vibhakti now. Phalam, pale, palani. So the forms of Dvitiya and Pratama, same. The forms are same. So if you know Palam, Pale, Palani, you know Dvitiya and Pratama. Now Tritiya, Palena, Palabhyam, Palaihi.
Palabhyam, palaihi.
Palaya, Palabhyam, Palebhyaha.
Palabhyam, palebhyaha.
Palat, Palabhyam, Palebhyaha.
Palat, palabhyam, palebhyaha.
Palasya, Palayoho, Palanam.
Palasya, palayoho, palanam.
Pale, Palayoho, Paleshu.
Palayoho, paleshu.
He Phala, He Phale, He Phalani.
He Phala, He Phalani.
If you observe from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami and Sambodhana Pratama, these forms are same as Rama Shabda. Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Palena, Palabhyam, Palaihi. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Palaya, Palabhyam, Palebhyaha. Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha. Palat, Palabhyam, Palebhyaha. Ramasya, Palasya. Ramayoho, Palayoho. Ramanam, Palanam. Rame, Pale. Ramayoho, Palayoho. Rameshu, Paleshu. Same. Sambodhana, slight different. He Pala, He Pale. That is like the Pratama Vibhakti. Sambodhana is different. Otherwise, from Tritiya to Saptami, the forms are same. So if you know Rama Shabda, you know Napumsakalinga, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda also. So 2 in 1. So what you need to remember in this Napumsakalinga is only Pratama Vibhakti forms you need to remember. Palam, Pale, Palani. That is what you practice in the lesson now. Vimanam, Vimani, Vimanani and all. And Sambodhana, E Pala, E Pale, E Palani. That you need to remember. Only this much. If you know this, any Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda, you can decline. Netram, Netre, Netrani. Netram, Netre, Netrani. Netrena, Netrabhyam, Netraihi. Netraga, Netrabhyam, Netrebhyaha. Netrat, Netrabhyam, Netebhyaha. Netrasya, netrayoho, netranam, netre, netrayoho, netreshu, he netra, he netre, he netrani. Right? Vastram. All these shabdas are same. Is it difficult or is simple? Tell me.
Simple.
Very simple. Napumsakalinga is very simple. So this is also your homework. You need to know this Napumsakalinga Shabda also. So we have covered 4 Shabdas. We'll see slowly this list will keep on increasing. So you have to cope up with that. So that's why its homework is important. Please do homework. So all the Shabdas in this lesson is for your homework. You can chant and you can recite also. Please, you can write also, not recite. You can recite and write also. Both you have to do. You have to write the Shabda. The same line with Pala Shabda you have to write also. Not only recitation, reciting is one thing and writing. Writing also you have to practice. So you can take these Shabdas. Vimana, Akarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Vimana Shabdaha, Yajana Shabdaha, Akarantaha, Napumsakalinga. Similarly, Chatra, Simhasana, Patra, Nanakam, Griham, Netra, Kamalam, Vastra. All these Shabdas you can do. So if you do, then Rama Shabda also will be straightened. If you know Rama Shabda, then this is can do. If you don't know Rama Shabda, if you know this, then you know Rama Shabda also. Anyway, so both ways. Okay. Now, next exercise, number 26. Next person. Who is the next person? I think Krishna Kumar.
Yes. Etat kim, etat vimanam, etani kani, etani vimanani. Etat kim?
Chatram.
Chatram. Etat chatram, etani kani, etani chatrani.
Amram. This is
Amram.
Amraphalam or Amram.
Etat kim, etat amram, etani kani, etani amrani. Etat kim?
Etat kim?
Urukam.
Etat kim? Etat? Urukam.
Sorry, Guruji. What is that?
Etat kim? Etat? Urukam.
Urukam.
Yes.
Etani kani, etani urukani. Etat kim? Etat pushpam.
Pushpam also you can say if you don't know the specific name. Kamala or Pushpa. Pushpa is also Napumsakalinga. Pushpam, Pushpe, Pushpani.
Etani kani, etani pushpani. Etat kim? For fan, for
Vyajanam.
Vyajanam. Etat vyajanam, etani kani, etani vyajanani. Etat kim? Etat.
You need to know the words, develop your vocabulary also.
Okay. Netram.
Netra. Yes.
Suddenly I'm not getting that. Etani kani, etani netrani. Etat kim?
Shirt is Yutaka.
Yutakam.
Etat yutakam, etani kani, etani yutakani. Etat kim? Etat patram, etani kani, etani patrani.
Parna is leaf. Patra also leaf only. It's okay. Parna is
Parna
or Patra. Patra also could be a Patra, Patrika. Patrika is paper. Okay.
Etat kim?
Panasam. Panasam.
Palasam. Etani kani, etani palasani.
Okay, next person. Lataji.
Yes, Guruji. Etat kim? Etat alukam. Ete ke? Ete aluke. Etat kim? Ete lasunam.
Etat lasunam.
Etat lasunam. Ete ke? Ete lasune. एतत् किम् एतत् क्रीडकम् एते के
क्रीडनकम्
क्रीडनकम् एते के एते क्रीडनकम्
क्रीडनके
एतत् किम् एतत् व्यजनम् एते के एते व्यजने एतत् किम् एतत् पत्रम् एते के एते पत्रे एतत् किम् एतत् पुस्तकम् एते के एते पुस्तके एतत् किम् एतत् यानम् एते के एते याने एतत् किम् एतत् विमानम् एते के एते विमाने एतत् किम् एतत् छत्रम् एते के एते छत्रे एतत् किम् एतत् उपनेत्रम् एते के एते उपनेत्रे.
Next person. Meeraji. I hope we have not done this, right? We have not done this?
We have done, Guruji. 88, up to 88 the page. Done.
Up to?
88.
Yeah, then I didn't say it at the beginning itself. I don't know. I was asking, somebody said 72. That's why it started from 72. We have done this before, right? Because
yes,
for me, it looks as if we have done. You want to do this? No problem. If you want to skip, I will skip. Your choice.
We'll skip.
Yeah, because already we have done this. How many times you will read Etat Kim, Etat Kim? You know Etat Kim. I don't feel boring. If you feel boring, you have to tell me. Okay. Otherwise, Etat Kim, Etat Kim, Etat Vimanam only. What is that? How many times Etat Ke, Etat Kim, Etani, Palani? It is same. What is it? It's a page number 88. This is exercise, Shrutiji? Which one?
Yes, Guru.
Is this the one? 29?
Yeah.
Okay. Next person. Who is the next person supposed to read?
Yeah, Meera, I have to read.
Is this a page number or is a page number 70, right?
88, 87.
88, Guruji, yeah.
Okay, yeah, 87. Fine. Okay, Meeraj, you can read.
Okay. Ete ke ete kamale.
Anyway, Napumsakalinga doesn't leave us. Okay, continue.
Ete ke ete pale.
No, etani kani.
Etani kani.
Three times. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tani, in fact.
I think this also, it seems we have read this. Anyway, continue.
We did this page. Yeah, first page we did.
Okay. Tani kani, tani palani.
Tani kani, tani palani.
Yeah.
Ete ke ete sorry.
It's okay. Eto. This is eto. Pullinga. Two teachers are there. Therefore, eto. Eto kau.
Etau kau, etau adhyapikau.
Yes.
Adhyapakau.
Yeah.
Adhyapakau. Adhyapika is teacher. If it is teacher, becomes adhyapike. There is no word adhyapikau. Okay. Just for your information. Adhyapaka will become adhyapakau. Adhyapika will become adhyapike. In between, there is no adhyapikau. Okay. Yes, continue.
Ete ke ete chatre.
I guess it's
Tau balakau.
Yes, you're right.
Tau balakau.
You have treated the distance, okay.
Etani kani etani. Ete ke ete ma.
No, you see the object. Find what the object is. Then use the pronoun. What is the object there?
Mala.
Mala. Therefore, what linga is that?
Strilinga.
How many malas are there?
Many.
Therefore, what will be the question?
Eta.
Kim Shabda, you must know. Kim Shabda, many are there. Bhagavachanam. So, ka ke, kaha. So, kaha is a question. And is it close or far away? Close. So, etat Shabda, Strilinga, close. Bhagavachanam. What is that form? Yesha, ete.
Eshaha.
Etaha, not esha. Etaha, kaha.
Etaha,
malaha. Like that you have to do. Do it.
Okay. Mayurakaha. This is
Mayura.
for
Mayura is the word. Okay. Mayura akarantaha pullingaha mayura shabdaha. Okay.
Ete mayurake.
Mayu. Ete ke. Okay, let her speak. Okay, let Meera Jaron speak. Ete
mayurake.
Mayura is a word. There is no mayuraka and all. Okay. Mayura is a word. Akarantaha pullingaha mayura shabdaha. Okay. Ete ke. Answer will be?
Ete mayure.
Mayuraha. Many. Oh, two are there. Many are there.
Two.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Because of this, your chat box is hiding. I cannot see the figure. Okay, sorry. I thought many are there. If it is only two are there, then we cannot ask ete.
Eto.
Ah, yes. And also not eto. It is far away. Remove ye. It is
Tau.
Right?
Yeah.
Cow.
Cow.
Answer will be
Tau mayura.
Okay. Next one. Continue.
This is etani kani etani amrapalani.
Good.
Te ke.
And for information, it is a female goat.
Aja.
Please let Meeraji do. Okay. Others can be a spectator now. She will answer. Yes.
Te ke te ajay.
Yes. Te ke te ajay. You can continue, Meeraji. Next one. Baka.
Baka. Eta ka. Eta baka.
Baka is akaranta. I'm just giving you the pratipadikam. You have to figure out the vachanam and all. Baka akarantaha pullingaha baka shabdaha. Now tell me.
Eta ka. Eta baka.
No. How many bakas are there?
Many.
Therefore?
Bakaha.
Okay. The question will be?
Kaha. Etaha.
Why kaha?
Eshaha.
Why it's not napumsa, it's not strilinga. It is pullinga. Please memorize etat shabda, idam shabda, tat shabda in all the genders. You need to know. It's important. Take a printout of what I sent through the WhatsApp, or I don't know. I just shared the file with you. Take that. Keep that. Take a printout of that. Keep that with you always. Till you become familiar. Once you're familiar, then you can discard it. You can keep that. You can paste it somewhere in a place where you can see it. Ye shaka ye tau ye te. Important. Saha tau te. Yesha ye te etaha. Ayam imau ime. Yam ime imaha. Etat ete etani. These are very important. Kaga kauke. Ka ke kaha. Kim ke kani. I'm saying for all the genders. These demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns only you are using, nothing else. Figure out the gender, figure out the vachanam and use it. That's it. Baka is pullinga. Therefore, many bakas are there. Therefore,
Ete ke.
Ke.
Ete bake.
Not bake. Why bake? K is a therefore bake. No, not like that.
No. Ete bakaha.
Bakaha. That you have to know this. Yete bakaha. Yeshaha yeto yete. Kaka kau ke ete ke, matching the vachanam. And bakaha bakau bakaha. Yete ke yete bakaha. Like that, all these things you have to mentally do it.
Okay.
Suppose if there are two bakas, then how do you say it?
Bake.
Why? Where is bake? There is no bake at all. Bakaha bakau bakaha shabda. Where is bake here? If it is feminine baka, then we can say.
Bakaha bakau. So etau kau, etau bakau.
Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay, continue. Number 10.
Balukaha. Balukaha is two of them.
Far away.
Yeah. And far away. Yeah. Ete ke.
Far away, you cannot say ete.
Te ke. Te ke.
Te ke. Only two are there. Therefore, te also ruled out. Te is Bhagavachanam in Pullinga. Only two are there, right?
Tau kau. Tau kau. Tau
Ramaha Ramo.
Ramo.
That is why I said Shabda is important. Balluka is a Shabda. Ballukaha, Ballukau, Ballukaha. You should be able to decline that. Shabdas are important. Ballukau.
So Tau kau, Tau Ballukau.
Yes. Miraji, you need to do homework. Okay.
Sure,
next person. Pratibhaji.
Yes.
I'm helping you in the class as much as possible. But rest, you have to put your effort. You have to spend some time. Do some homework. I'm saying all of you. Wherever you are, whichever this thing. But you put homework. Yes.
Sorry.
Continue.
Okay. Eshaka, Esha Latta.
Not okay. That's fine. Your choice. Yes.
Okay. Eshaka, Esha Latta. Tau kau, tau
it is
petikau.
Okay, petika, what gender? How do you use tau?
Oh, sorry, it's a Napusakling.
Napumsakalinga.
Yeah, I thought pulling. Sorry.
Is it Napumsakalinga?
Oh, sorry. Teke.
No. I'm asking you, is it Napumsakalinga?
Petika. Sorry, Strilinga. Petika, Strilinga. So, teke, te petike.
Yes.
Nari, right? I said Nari.
Yes. Nari or Mahila, your choice.
Nari. Eteke,
yes.
Ete Naryo.
Very good. Ete Naryo. If you use Mahila?
Yeah. Mahile. Ete Mahile. Gruham, Napusakling, right, sir?
Yes.
Teke.
How many are there? Only one or many?
Okay. Sorry. I thought it's two. It's one. Tat kim, tat gruham. Chashakaha, right?
Chashaka.
So, Chashakaha. Sahakaha. No, Eshaha kaha. Eshaha chashakaha. Ajaha, pulling.
Ajaha. When does arse become Aja?
Ashwa.
Aja
my
is
God. Sorry.
goat.
Ashwa, yes. Tau kau, tau ashwau.
Tau ashwau. Nari Pariya Namari horse vande Aja. Okay, next one. So this is a very simple one. Next person can read. Shrutiji. Asking question and the answer is am or na. All these are spoken Sanskritam. This is how we slowly you develop. Yeah, adding kim before the sentence, it becomes a question. Kim, comma, one pause is there. Kim, yeshaka vrikshaha. If you ask like this, is this a tree? That's the meaning. Yes. So Kim, yeshaka vrikshaha. Kim, after that, a little pause means you are asking a question. Is this a tree? The expected answer. If the expected answer is yes or no, you can add Kim in the beginning. After which, there's a little pause. Okay.
Okay.
So that answer will be am or na. The meaning will be is this. is this the meaning? Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, the previous one we have seen. So tat kim, what is that? Saha kaha, who is that? What is that? There it is different. There you see where the kim is placed, where the kaha is placed, or ka is placed at the end of the sentence, right?
Yes.
Tat kim, we ask, what is that? You can ask kim tat also. Kim tat also you can ask. But kim tat, what is that only? The same meaning. Kim tat phalam. When you ask, is that a fruit? The meaning changes. Okay. Tat, along with that tat, you will have a proper noun also. Kim tat phalam. Is that a fruit? Right? So a proper noun also is there in the question. And for that answer will be either am or na. One word answer. Now we can read. Shruti.
Kim एषः वृक्षः आम् किम् एषः मनुष्यः न
You can say na yeshaha
मूषकः
मूषिकः
yeshaha na manushyaha yeshaha mushakaha. So you can give two more, can add two more lines also.
Okay. किम् एषः गजः न एषः बल्लूकः किम् एषः गुल्मः न एषः वृक्षः किम् एषा बालिका न एषः बालकः किम् एतत् पुष्पं न एतत् फलं किम् एषः बल्लूकः न एषः वानरः किम् एषा अजा आम् एषा अजा किम् एतत् विमानम् आम् एतत् विमानम् किम् एषः रथः आम् एषः रथः रथः
Tha, it is dental, Mahaprana.
Okay.
Rataha. Next person, Meklaji. Now
Kim,
Dvivachanam is introduced.
okay.
Yes. For this.
Kim etau gajau.
Yes. Answer will be
Am etau gajau. Kim te petike. Am te petike. Kim
No, etau gajo is their horse, no?
Yeah, etau
sorry.
Gajaha is elephant. Sorry.
etau
Yeah,
ashwa.
Gajau. Na etau ashwau.
Yes. Okay.
Kim te
Thanks for that.
petike. Am te petike. Kim ete phale. Na ete pushpe.
Yes.
Kim te pustake. Na te
What is that?
pen. I don't. Pen is
Ankani. So,
Ankani.
yes.
Ankani. Ankane. Am te.
Ankane. What is Ankane?
Ankane.
How do you, what is the gender? Ankani.
Oh.
How do you get Ankani?
Ankane. Oh, that's masculine. Oh. Harihi harayo.
Which is masculine?
Ankani. Ankani.
Ankani. Ankani masculine. Ankani. Nadi.
Female. Nadi. Nadyau. Nadyaha.
Kim te pustake?
Te.
Na.
Na.
Te na pustake. Te ankanyau. Nadi shabdavat. Ankani. We have seen all these words before. Ankani, Lekhani, Ikaranta shabda. Nadi shabda. Nadi shabda we know. Pratama Vibhakti we have learnt. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadya. In fact, many shabdas we know Pratama Vibhakti. That is why I introduced first. All those will be useful for this exercise. We didn't chant today. It doesn't mean that we have not learned. We have learnt all the shabdas Pratama Vibhakti alone. Nadi, Ikaranta, Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta. Remember? All the Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga we have learnt. Have we learnt or not? Yes? No?
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. So Nadi Shabda. So Ankani is Nadi Shabdavat. Nadi, nadyau, nadyaha. So nadyau, ankanyau, te ankanyau.
Excuse me, Guruji, aren't they Lekhani?
Lekhani is
Pen.
pencil. Ankani is marker.
Pen.
So I take it. You can use anything. It's okay.
Oh, no. I'm asking this because I have to correct my writing here. In my notebook, I have written
Ankani
Lekhani
is
as
marker.
pen.
Ankani is marker. You can write Lekhani
Ankani
also.
is marker.
Lekhani also. Lekhani also means that is which is used for writing, either pencil or pen. Lekhani.
What exactly is a pencil between the two?
Take Lekhani. If you
Lekhani as pencil. Okay. Thank you.
Continue.
And one more thing, Guruji. Last time also we mentioned like T-shirt is Yutakam, is it? So today also we used it for shirt, Yutakam.
Shirt is
Karashukam.
Karashukam.
I said T-shirt, that's why I said Yutakam. In the figure it was a shirt. You can say
Yes.
Karashuka.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay, then continue.
Kim ete chatre am ete chatre. Kim tani parnani am tani parnani. Kim etau vriddhau na etau balakau.
Balaka, good.
Kim tau tarunau na tau vruddhau.
Yes.
Kim ete aje am ete aje. Kim tau vaidhyau na tau adhyapikau. Adhyapakau. Adhyapakau. Male.
Yes. Next person. Kanakaji.
Kim yete vanare am
Vanaro.
sorry vanaro vanaraha am ete vanare vanaraha kim te mayuraha na te I don't know what is that.
Shuka.
Shukaha. Kim etani vastrani. Etani vastrani. Kim taha kartaryaha. Taha kartaryaha. Sorry. Kartaryaha. Kim
Kartaryaha. Ikaranta Shabda.
Kim etaha nartakyaha. Etaha nartakyaha. Kim taha
Vruddhaha. Vruddhaha, yes.
Vruddhaha is ladies.
No. Vruddhaha is the.
Okay.
Whether it is ladies or men, both will be, form will be, if many are there, Vruddhaha will be the form. Vruddhaha, Vruddhau, Vruddhaha, if it is Pullinga. Strilinga, if Vruddha, Vruddhe, Vruddhaha, the form will be same. But in the figure, ladies are there. So therefore,
taha, Vruddhaha.
So here Vruddhaha is feminine, Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Strilinga, Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam, Vruddhaha. Are they Vruddhas?
No.
No.
Answer will be?
Na.
Taha, Kaha.
Taha. Taha Vruddhaha.
Taha na Vruddhaha.
Mahila. Na Vruddhaha. Okay. Mahila. Can we say Mahila or?
Vruddha is not a Mahila?
Yes.
Anyway, you can say Magilaha. I just joke. Okay, you can say Magilaha. And if you understand, it is fine.
Or can we use Taruni, Guruji? Taruni also is like.
You can say Taruni. That's what I was about to say. But Taruni, that is young woman.
Tarunyau,
Okay.
Tarunyaha.
Tarun.
Ikaranta Strilinga.
Nari also.
Yeah.
Vridha also Nari only.
Narya.
Nari only.
Guruji, if it,
Now.
Young
That's why I
woman
said
if it
is
was
Vridha also Nari only.
Nari, Naryo, Naryaha.
Yeah.
Naryaha.
What's the
Guruji, if
doubt?
it was Taruni, if it is Taruni, then it is Tarunyo, right? For three, many of them.
Tarunyaha.
Tarunya Bhagavachanam. Nadi
Tarunya, right?
Nadya Nadyaha.
Correct.
So Bhagavachanam is Nadyaha. Continue.
Kim etaha chatikaha.
Not Chatikaha.
Oh,
Chatakaha.
Chataka.
Are
Chataka.
you using
Sorry.
mobile phone or lab?
No, laptop only. Sorry. No,
You
it's
can
not.
zoom it. I'm showing you the maximum.
Right. Chatikaha.
Chatakaha.
Chatakaha. Etaha chatakaha. Na. Is it? Yes, right. Is it? Oh, I'm sorry.
Chataka means sparrow. Okay.
This
Chataka
is.
is. Are they sparrows? Yes. You can
Yes.
say yes. They
Yeah.
look like sparrow only.
Yeah. Etaha chatakaha. Kim tani amrani. Na. Tani jackfruit. I don't. Panasapalam. Yeah. Panasapalani.
Yes.
Kim ete vrikshaha. Can we call the sprouting vriksha? No. Yes.
No. Sprouting is not a vriksha.
Vriksha is a big tree, right?
Ete na vrikshaha.
Ete na vriksha. What do you call the sprout?
Ankura.
Ankura. Okay.
Ete ankura, sprout.
Ete ankuraha. Kim te Sarpaha? No.
Sarpaha.
Sarpaha. What do you call this?
What is that?
Lizard?
Grihagodika.
Oh, Grihabodikam. Okay.
Grihagodika.
Godika. Okay. Te Grihagodike.
Na. Taha Grihagodikaha.
Taha. Oh, na. Taha Grihagodikaha.
Okay. So I think.
Guruji, before
Yes.
we close, sorry, I thought we were closing the class. I wanted to ask few words for which I wanted to write down these meanings.
Yeah, after we wind up, we can ask.
Yeah. Thank
So
you.
we'll stop here now. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Please do practice.
Yeah, it's
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Kanitram. The meaning of Kanitram, Guruji.
Thank you, Guruji.
Kanitram is digging machine.
Digging
1 minute.
machine.
You can ask doubt. You can. I'm not ending the meeting. Those who have doubts, they can ask. Yeah.
Digging machine. Sthanakam.
Sthanakam is that it's a place.
Place. Sudhakhand. Is that sweet potato?
Chop piece.
Chalk piece. Chalk piece.
Sudha means white.
In Telugu we say Suddha Kandha.
Sudha means
Suddha,
white.
correct. Yeah.
Sudha means white. Kanda means piece. Chalk piece.
Yes.
Then Karkate is cucumber.
Cucumber. Shashakaha.
Rabbit.
What is rabbit? And Gunjanam is carrot, isn't it?
Grinjanam.
Yeah. Okay. Amraji. Somewhere I got this word. Amraji.
Amraji.
Amraji and Amrali.
Huh?
What's that?
It's not Amram. That's why I have it written
You
down to
can
ask.
write and send it to me. I don't know what is that. I have to see the.
Okay. I'll check the page number also. I'll go through it again and see in which page I have got.
There is no Amraji, to my knowledge. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe.
Amrani may be there. That
Amrani.
Nakara,
Yeah, it could be Amrani, Guruji. Yeah, Amrani.
Amrani is Bahuvachan of Amra, mangoes.
Yeah.
Bahuvachan, plural of mango. Okay, that's it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Next person, Ramkumar, yeah. Want to ask?
Yeah, Guruji. Actually, this I have downloaded all the files from this OneDrive. So this is there in that OneDrive, right? This is the Sanskrit, Samskrita, the same thing file. No?
Many files are there. You can download whichever files are relevant, because other files, if you also see, you won't be able to understand. Some advanced files are there.
Correct.
Even Panini Sutras are also there. Those things are all out of scope, so not required. Basic files, what are the book, Sulabha Sanskrit Paఠam, some books are there that you download and practice.
Okay, Guruji.
And this, for all the Shabda, for all the Lingas, that word file I already shared in the WhatsApp, that you can download and keep it with you. Take a printout and you can keep it with you.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay. And what we called register, Guruji?
Registered. We saw that.
Panchika.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Guruji.
Guruji, Chalani means Guruji?
Chalani, roller.
Roller.
Jallada.
Sorry, Chalani is Jallada, sieve.
Yeah,
Velani is
Jallada. Okay.
Velani is roller.
Roller.
Guruji, can you guys please re-forward that file with that lingas which you just told me right now?
Which one?
This file with all the declensions, Pullinga, Strilinga, Napulinga, Savalinga. That,
it's in
Vibhaktis.
Book 2.
Yeah,
Asking the file only, that all the lingas, even
Ekavachanam,
Prathama Vibhakti.
Correct.
Somebody can send, please. If you have,
because
somebody can forward it to the group again.
Yeah, somebody can forward it, please.
Okay.
Thank you, Guruji. Dhanyavada.
Thank you,
Guruji. Thank you.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.
Dhanyavada, Guruji.